Okay. We are here with Mary, an engineer of SolarTaxi. As you can see, this bike, she's one of the engineers who assembled the bike. Maybe you can show her colleagues. This.
Hello.
You can zoom in.
Hi.
So, Mary, how did you end up here as an engineer?
Okay, so I was doing my master's. I had a lovely boss who was always looking up. I was probably the one that was great. He found what I was about to do. That's how I see how I said I should start. Just like I was
Okay. And how has been the technical training?
interesting. Different. It's interesting.
Really?
See, it's new. It's a new technology.
Okay.
Learning it's not easy. You have to learn everything from scratch. You have to do your research and make sure things are going
Okay.
It's interesting. Like that's my experience so far.
So what was it? Can you describe the feeling the first time? I mean, you finish working on a product. As in, you can see a complete product coming out.
Happy.
Happy.
Yes.
I can see that she's smiling behind the mask.
Yes, because I can remember.
Oh, okay.
It was fulfilling.
That's pretty, so has that feeling changed?
No, it hasn't. If we disassemble this bicycle and reassemble it and you find out that it's working, you feel that joy again. You're like, oh, okay, so it's still working.
Oh, so for time to time you just bring all the bikes down to
Yes.
see. That's nice to hear. Anyway, Mary, it's a pleasure to meet you and your beautiful colleagues. As we said, we came for test drive and other stuff, and we really wanted to meet you.
I'm Belinda
Belinda
Akabakos.
from Anako.
Yeah.
Alright, so there's that. No wonder you're so beautiful. So, we were told that the charger, like in the car, you ladies work on it. So, can you tell us a bit more about the charger? What do you have to do?
Okay, so the channel came just like this. We fixed this on the pole and everything. So we got a cable. We got a 4-cord cable which we connected to our main meter. That's a prepaid meter. So we use a 3-phase meter to give power to the home charger.
Oh, that's all.
Yeah. And we have a breaker too. In case there is excess power, then it will go up on it.
Is there a breaker in the box over there?
Yeah.
Where?
It's here, a circuit breaker.
Okay. Why that box over there?
This box is a solar panel. We have a solar panel on top that we use to charge our electric bikes.
Okay.
So we have the battery and the inverters inside.
Oh, okay. So it's not connected to this?
No. There's a different thing. This one is going to this place.
Oh, okay. So what is the wattage of this? What's the rating?
Right now, 32 amps.
The charger?
This one is 32 amps.
2 amps.
Yeah, it's 32. So we have 2 chargers for the car. This is a home charger, it uses 32 amps, and we have another one here, which uses 16 amps. This very one, it uses 16 amps to give power to.
So 32 and then 16 amps.
Yeah.
So
And 32 is the home charger.
Okay.
And this one is just like a commercial or something.
Wait, you see that the home charger has more.
Yeah.
The home charger has more current than the commercial.
Yeah.
How is that?
Okay. So the home charger is just like we are connecting it direct to the meter.
Yeah.
But this one you have to connect cables from this, then from to the meter, then bring it to the car.
Okay.
Yeah.
So which one charges faster?
The
home charger will
charger.
charge faster.
The charger.
How long? 6 hours, and then this one is.
Yeah, 6 hours.
So this one is 6 hours. This one will be like
take
8 hours.
Yeah.
So
So you connect it.
this is another GBT plug. You connect where?
You connect it to this place, to the system I'm talking.
So you made the circuit board and everything.
Yeah, it's an extension.
So this is, I want them to see. This is a GBT plug. So for those who have not seen GBT before, this is GBT. This one is used in China. And I think like they said that the vehicle is from China, right?
Yeah.
So they came with the GBT plug. But I'm sure that Linda can definitely attach a different charger, charging plug, be it CCS1 or CCS2. They can do the appropriate plug-in standards for you. And at AfricaNEV, we keep saying that charging, standardized charging, is the main challenge for EV adoption. This is one of the examples. What this means is that if somebody brings an EV from Europe, it will have CCS2 charging. If somebody brings from America, it will have CCS1, and interoperability will become a major challenge. Belinda, it has been a pleasure to have this conversation with you.